Have you ever felt like your muscles don't bounce back the way they used to? If you're over 60, you're definitely not alone. As we age, muscle loss becomes a significant issue that many of us face. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it happens faster than most people realize. But here's the good news. There's a way to fight back. In today's video, we're going to talk about 3 natural powders that can help you rebuild muscle strength, improve mobility, and feel stronger and more energized without needing to rely on expensive supplements or complex diets. These powders are not only easy to use, but they're backed by science and have proven benefits for seniors. So, let's dive right into it. The problem of muscle loss. After 60, when we talk about aging, we often think about wrinkles, gray hair, and slower metabolism. But one of the most impactful, yet overlooked issues that comes with age is muscle loss. This condition is known as sarcopenia. It's a natural part of aging, but it accelerates much faster than many realize. Sarcopenia isn't just about looking weaker. It impacts your balance, mobility, energy, and independence. Muscle loss can lead to increased risk of falls, difficulty in performing daily tasks like carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or even standing up from a seated position. Over time, it can affect your overall quality of life. But there's good news. You don't have to just accept muscle loss as part of getting older. With the right nutrients, you can slow down the process and even reverse some of the damage. That's where these 3 natural powders come in. They're all easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can help restore muscle strength, improve recovery, and reduce inflammation. Let's take a look at them. Whey Protein, the fast-acting muscle builder. Whey protein is one of the most popular and widely used supplements in the fitness world. It's commonly associated with bodybuilders and athletes, but its benefits extend far beyond that. For seniors, whey protein can be a game-changer when it comes to rebuilding muscle. Whey protein is a complete source of protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. Among these amino acids is leucine, which plays a crucial role in activating muscle protein synthesis, the process that repairs and builds muscle after activity. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at this process, making it harder to recover from exercise or even day-to-day activities. Taking whey protein can help bridge this gap. It's one of the fastest digesting forms of protein, meaning it gets absorbed quickly by the body and is available to start repairing muscle tissue right when you need it most. The best time to take whey protein is right after physical activity, even if it's something as simple as a light walk or stretching. You don't need to do heavy lifting to benefit from it. Whey protein can help kickstart muscle recovery after any form of physical activity. Not all whey proteins are created equal, though. Many store-bought protein powders are loaded with artificial sweeteners, fillers, or low-quality protein. To make sure you're getting the most effective whey protein, look for whey protein isolate or grass-fed whey concentrate. These forms are typically higher quality and more easily absorbed by the body. Aim for at least 20 grams of protein per serving to see results. Whey protein doesn't just help with muscle recovery. It can also help you feel fuller for longer, which may help with weight management and prevent unnecessary snacking. Plus, it has immune-boosting properties, making it an excellent choice for seniors who might struggle to get enough nutrients from food alone. If you're new to whey protein, start by adding half a serving to your routine and see how your body reacts. You can mix it with water, almond milk, or even blend it into a smoothie with fruits and vegetables for an extra nutrient boost. Collagen Peptides, for muscle and joint support. Next on the list is Collagen Peptides. While collagen is most often associated with skin, hair, and nail health, it also plays a crucial role in maintaining the strength and integrity of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. As we age, our natural collagen production decreases, leading to stiffer joints, slower recovery times, and weaker support for muscles. Collagen peptides are a form of collagen that's broken down into smaller, more easily absorbed pieces. This makes it a great supplement for rebuilding connective tissue, which is essential for muscle recovery and joint health. By taking collagen peptides, you're not just supporting your muscles, but also the connective tissues that support and stabilize them. When collagen peptides are consumed, they provide the amino acids your body needs to repair and strengthen tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. This becomes especially important for seniors dealing with muscle aches, stiffness, or limited mobility due to joint pain. By maintaining the strength of connective tissue, collagen peptides can help you move more freely, without the discomfort that often comes with aging. Collagen peptides are versatile and easy to use. They're virtually flavorless and dissolve easily in both hot and cold liquids. You can stir a scoop into your morning coffee, mix it into a smoothie, or even add it to soups or oatmeal. It's best to take collagen peptides consistently each day, as the benefits build over time. Most studies recommend around 10 to 20 grams per day for noticeable results. In addition to muscle support, collagen peptides have been shown to improve joint comfort, reduce pain from arthritis, and even support bone density. For seniors, this can make a big difference in daily movement and activity levels. With improved joint flexibility and strength, you'll find it easier to stay active, whether that's walking, gardening, or stretching. If you're struggling with slow recovery or stiffness in your joints, collagen peptides might be the missing link in your routine. They provide foundational support, not just for your muscles, but for your entire musculoskeletal system. Spirulina, the plant-based superfood for energy and muscle recovery. Last but certainly not least is spirulina. This algae-based superfood is packed with essential nutrients, including protein, iron, vitamins, and antioxidants. It's an incredible source of plant-based protein, making it an excellent choice for those who are vegetarian, vegan, or simply want to boost their intake of nutrient-dense foods. Spirulina is a complete source of protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids needed to build and repair muscle tissue. But what sets spirulina apart from other protein sources is its iron content. Iron is essential for producing hemoglobin, the molecule in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Without sufficient iron, your muscles can't get the oxygen they need to perform at their best, leading to fatigue and weakness. For seniors who may have low iron levels, spirulina can be a game-changer. It helps support healthy red blood cell production, improving circulation and endurance, and giving your muscles the fuel they need to recover faster. But spirulina isn't just good for muscle recovery. It's also rich in magnesium, potassium, B vitamins, and antioxidants like phycocyanin, which help reduce inflammation, protect muscles from oxidative stress, and improve overall health. These nutrients work together to reduce pain, increase energy, and protect against the wear and tear that naturally occurs as we age. Spirulina also helps boost nitric oxide production, which widens blood vessels and improves circulation. This means that oxygen and nutrients are delivered more efficiently to your muscles, speeding up recovery and reducing soreness after physical activity. You can take spirulina in powder or tablet form, but the powder version is ideal for mixing into smoothies, juices, or even just a glass of water. It's very nutrient-dense, so you only need a small amount. Start with half a teaspoon per day and gradually work up to a full teaspoon. You can also mask the taste by combining spirulina with citrus fruits or ginger. Spirulina is a fantastic addition to your routine if you're looking for a natural, plant-based supplement that supports muscle health, energy levels, and overall vitality. If you've been feeling more tired or fatigued than usual, spirulina can help combat those feelings and give you the energy boost you need to stay active and strong. Incorporating these powders into your daily routine. Now that we've covered the benefits of whey protein, collagen peptides, and spirulina, the next question is, how do you incorporate these powders into your daily life? The great news is that all three of these powders are easy to use and can be mixed into a variety of foods and drinks. Here are a few ideas. Whey protein. Mix with water, almond milk, or your favorite smoothie. It's perfect for a post-workout recovery shake or as a meal supplement if you're not getting enough protein from food. Collagen peptides. Stir into your morning coffee, tea, or smoothie. You can even add it to your soups or oatmeal for an extra nutrient boost. Spirulina. Add a teaspoon of spirulina powder to your daily smoothie, juice, or even water. Its powerful nutrients will support your muscles, joints, and overall well-being. As we age, maintaining muscle strength becomes more important than ever. Weak muscles don't just make everyday tasks harder. They increase your risk of falls, fractures, and the loss of independence. But with the right nutrition, including these three natural powders, you can slow down muscle loss and even rebuild muscle strength over time. Whey protein, collagen peptides, and spirulina are all natural, easy-to-use solutions that can help seniors feel stronger, more energetic, and more mobile. By incorporating these powders into your daily routine, you'll be supporting not just your muscles, but your overall health, helping you stay active and independent for years to come. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Stick with it, and give your body the nutrients it needs to rebuild muscle and improve recovery. You might be surprised at just how much strength you can regain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on health and wellness, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which of these powders are you most excited to try? Let me know. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.